For this video, we'll be doing a 1200mm slider and an 800mm side panel, starting with the sliding door first. First, take a look at the instruction manual and make sure you have all the necessary tools and parts. The sliding door is universal and can be rotated to slide from the right or left hand side. Before starting, make sure the shower tray is installed level in all directions, sealed according to the manufacturer's instructions. Fit the seals to the top and bottom of the fixed panel. Using the correct screws, screw together the top, bottom and side rail to the fixed panel. Next, fit the glass clamps to the wall profile and seal the fixed glass panel with silicone. Next, measure 10mm away from the edge of the shower tray and mark the fixing positions for the wall profile, ensuring it is level. Using a 6mm drill bit, drill the holes and insert the wall plugs provided. Next, fix the wall profile onto the wall using the screws provided and slide the shower frame into the wall profile. Next, mark the drill hole positions for the side panel profile, ensuring the outside edge of the profile is 10mm away from the edge of the shower tray. Drill the holes, insert the plugs, and fix the profile using the screws provided. Next, slide the side panel into the wall profile and into the exposed edge of the sliding door. With a 3mm drill bit, drill 5 holes into each of the 3 vertical posts at equal distances. Using the screws provided, then attach all of the cover strip clips. Once completed, attach all 3 cover strips. Next, fix the rollers onto each end of the moving panel, making sure that the spring-loaded rollers are fitted to the bottom. Then, attach the cover caps provided. Next, insert the moving panel to the shower frame by hooking the rollers into the profile channels. The rollers should be adjusted to ensure the bottom of the moving panel is securely fitted into the channel. Next, attach the seals to the moving and fixed panels. Then, fit the handle to the moving panel using the fixings provided. Next, clip the top caps onto the top of the vertical profiles. Finally, seal the outside edges of the shower enclosure and leave to cure for 24 hours before using the shower. The Klas enclosure should be regularly cleaned with warm soapy water to prevent limescale buildup. Do not use abrasive cleaning fluids or materials or strong chemical cleaners, as this will damage the product surface. Mia, beautiful bathrooms.